We're at the top of the Devil's Peak. So this is also a fortress, but you know, now it's just abandoned. Sometimes I feel like I say thing. Sorry, let's do this again. Good morning, guys. So today we are hiking the Devil's Peak in Yau Tong. So actually did this hike a couple of years back, but no video of it, which is why we're here. Hiking! The nearest MTR station is Yau Tong. Exit at A2 and go down the stairs. The road going up to the trail start is pretty long and inclined. But after passing 2 pavilions, we're finally there. We found the trail start!
Not that hard.
Well, it's kind of behind us. We had to go through a bunch of people who was blocking the exit to across the road, which really bugs me because it's literally all fenced and they just stood there blocking everyone's way. You can already see Yau Tong, Victoria Harbour and beyond from here, and the path is well paved and signposted. We made it to the fortifications at the Devil's Peak, which is probably the first stop you're going to take. So, kind of interesting. Circular in shape. We took some drone shots here. I'm going to show you. And yep, now off we go to continue as Wing wants. The Gao Battery was built here by the British to monitor the Lei Yu Mun Channel, the eastern exit of Victoria Harbour, in 1898, and it was a major line of defence against the Japanese in World War II. We return the same way to continue up to the top of the Devil's Peak. We're almost at the top of Devil's Peak, which means that we're this really long stairs. And we also found the place where we took a photo last time I was here, like there. I'll show you the photos. So we're at the top of the Devil's Peak, which also has a lot of the fortification structures left called Wing Yawning. You can see a great view of Kowloon and Hong Kong Island from here. So look at that. Forecast was like rainy, but look at this. From the top, we can see the Head of Kowloon, Victoria Harbour and the North Hong Kong Island, and also to Junk Bay on the other side too. The path goes down towards the Junk Bay Chinese Permanent Cemetery, where it becomes more flat again. So that was big. This is it. If you want to go back to Yau Tong, you can. But we're thinking that was hardly a hike, so we're going to continue to the...
Continue with the Wilson Trail.
Yep. It's called like Five Spice Mountain in Chinese. I don't know what's called in English. I'll put it here. The rest of the session takes us past some metal fence before taking us down to the road. We just got down from the Devil's Peak, so we are between the section of Wilson Trail and the other section. So for this part we have to walk down the road a little bit, and actually I can already see where the next section begins again.
Remember turn right.
Yeah, I almost turned left because that's what people do if they go back to Yau Tong. The trail continues from this side of the road and up a lot more stairs. We're going up Yok Guai San, which is probably called Cinnamon Mountain, however much they want to translate it. A lot of stairs, guys. Whew. So, stair is still going up, up, up. Yeah, but we stopped at a really nice photo spot here. And yeah, keep going. We are now behind some of the housing estate we saw from the Devil's Peak as we continue our way up Black Hill on stony and muddy stairs. We're at the top of the Yok Guai San, so that's the quintessential pillar. There's actually quite a few people hiking this trail today, but we got a good view of both sides. So Lion Rock is behind me, and that side is Zhongguan O. From here, we can see the rest of the Kowloon Ridge clearly, including Lion Rock, and some long stairs down. They're constructed from some random material as well. To exit the Wilson Trail from here, go left from the signpost towards Ma Yau Tong village. So we went down from the Yok Guai San and now we're on a very nice path that's concrete paved. So there were some stairs in the wood and then now we're here and almost at the end. So not bad at all, it's only 4. Where do we go? Left or right? From here, turn right and walk your way across the village towards the bus stop. So we are on our way to the trail start still. So we went up from the cemetery sign and we're still going up. I'm not kidding. Where are we?
We're at the Devil's Peak.
The top of it.
Okay.
We're going up to the Hansan, which I think I translated as five spice. It might just be cinnamon, by the way, sorry.